Today I'm going to show you how to remove a door handle from a Dodge Challenger. Exterior plastic first, and then the mechanism from the inside. All you have to do is push down from the top and pull out from the bottom. You have the button and the door handle plastic itself. The clips are here on the bottom, the clips are here at the top as well. For the door mechanism itself, you have a hole behind this gasket. And then on the inside, if you can see that bolt right there, how it has a slit, you're going to release, if you can see it, there's a bolt up there, if you can see, that you're going to unscrew, and it's going to slide the clip that holds the handle mechanism in place. So I'll leave the light there. Take my torque, put it through the hole, and you'll start seeing the clip should start moving forward. Get it right. There we go. So you can see that start sliding forward now. You necessarily don't need to remove the interior door panel to be able to remove the handle. The reason being is that we're doing a repair on this customer's car, and we had to remove the side mirror in order to do the repair. So once you have that screw fully out, it's not going to go nowhere because there's something inside holding it. This is just going to come right out. And now you have the harness for the keyless entry. You just disconnect that, and then you can set that back inside. There's your hole. There's your handle.